Hi, my name is Dr. Michelle Veneziano, and I've been using structured water in my personal life and my practice for about 10 years. My partner actually walked in the room. She had just made a glass of energized water and she said, just taste this. I'm not going to explain what it is. And I put it to my lips and it just had this most creamy, inviting quality that is not the experience that I have drinking water out of a tap, even if it's filtered. I started to realize why people don't always love drinking water. It's pretty flat once it's gone through pipes and chemical treatment. And even if we filter it, it's not like the life is back in the water. Water that has gone through pipes is flat and lifeless, and it actually pulls energy out of your body rather than enhance it. I also noticed people's skin begins to plump up and the bags under the eyes begin to fade and the color comes back in. It's a huge boost to circulation. People just perking up like houseplants. And speaking of which, energized water is amazing for plants. Energizing your water is possibly the single most powerful thing you can do in support of your health. And I'm particularly in love with the water hero technology, which is why I'm making this video. Here's to your health.